Welcome to the Fix It Tech channel, and in our tech news today, we have interesting stats coming from IDC, which is a company that actually checks for different technology trends, PC sales, smartphone sales, and everything that has to do with the technology sphere. And they were talking about IT spending in 2021. With the increase in work from home that we had in 2020, IT spending became quite interesting because of the shift in the technologies used for most big companies to have workers working from home. Well, there is apparently a nice increase in 2021. They are expecting that IT spending will be 6.2% increase, which is that means that there's going to be more and more people required to fill up those IT jobs. So I think for the future, it's a great place to be. And as companies get bigger and as there's more infrastructure and more technology out there that people use, this can only continue within the next years. It has been shown that even when the economy is down, IT spending still continues to rise. So it's one of those spheres where actually jobs are more secure probably than the average technology or the average job that could be on the market out there. So 6.2% increase in IT spending is expected in 2021. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.